Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness Cowboy Quokka hop today. I'm so excited for this hop. Look at this paper pad, it's so pretty. We also have the bandana background stencil at 6x6 and I'm going to show you on some green cardstock. So really pretty, I love all that. It kind of looks like a doily to me and there's it looks like stitching, so I love it. This is the cow spot stencil, also 6x6. And we're going to be using that today in our project. And next is the cowboy quokka ephemera, and you get so many pieces. I love the boy, the girl, both of them together. You get cactus, horseshoes, boots, so fun. There's even sunflowers in there. So many pieces, so great if you don't like to color. We also have the stamp set, and look how fun this stamp set is. I love it. How cute. I love all of these images. And then we have the coordinating dies, the craft dies here. And then we have some cowboy quokka sentiments, blame it all on my boots. We got howdy, boots, lace, and a whole lot of grace. That's my favorite. I'm using that today. And then we have this paper pad, which is amazing. And I'm going to show you a few of these patterns here. And look how cute. And it's my first time looking at it, so I just love it. I love that yellow one there. I love that Kat Scrappiness does patterns, but she also includes some plain to go with it. So I love pairing those together. So really fun, and you get 4 patterns, 4 of each design. So we're using the cow spots stencil, and this is with ground espresso. And here is what it looks like on craft. So I think it looks really pretty. And now I'm going to cut it out with a stitched A2 rectangle die from the Fall Frame Craft Dies. And next I am going to be stamping my images. So I stamped those 2 that I'm going to use in my card, and I'll color them off camera. And now here is what they look like, and I'm just going to add some white gel accents with my jelly roll pen, and I think she looks cute. And I'm just showing you a comparison to the ephemera on the right there. And I gave her some white dots on her cheeks. Sometimes I like to do that with critters. And then looks like she's chewing on some leaves maybe. I just left those blank. And I am going to cut it out with the outline with the coordinating dies, and I'm using my Anna Griffith die cutting machine, and with that magnetic plate so they won't move. And so cute. I love the hat. I think it's just adorable, this release, so I can't get over how cute it is. I did use a few of my alcohol markers there, my Ohulu and Copics. So now I'm just trying to figure out my design. I am going to use an A2 Filmstrip die, and I'm using that blue denim colored paper. And now I'm going to stamp and heat emboss my sentiment, and this is that boots, lace, and a whole lot of grace, and I'm using some white ink and white embossing powder, and I will just heat that off camera. So this is a giveaway hop, so you want to leave comments, more chances to win on our videos. Be subscribed to the KS newsletter. That is our new stamp cloth at Kat Scrappiness. And I'm just putting my card together. You also want to fill out the Rafflecopter form, and we also have a hop on Instagram, so there's another chance to win there as well. I will have the playlist of everybody from the KS creative crew who is participating in the hop down below, so make sure and click on that. I'm using my Barely Arts liquid glue, and I'm putting my film strip a little wonky, and I added some foam tape to my images, and I am just going to be, I just tore my foam tape, so some of it's sticking out, so you'll see me kind of use my tool to get that tucked in a little bit better. And this is an A2 card base. And I had so much fun with the stamp set and the ephemera, and I just think the sentiments are great. I love a whole stamp set full of fun sentiments, and they're in a lot of different fonts, which I love, so super fun. And I put her on top, and then I'm going to add some boots and a hat and that horseshoe, I believe. And how fun is this card? I mean, I would be smiling receiving this. And so I am going to be adding some sequins as well to match. So I love the new, well, they're not that new, but they are new, kind of, the teal blue round solid confetti. And I think they're just a gorgeous color, and right now that is my color this year. I usually love purple, but I don't know, but teal and aquas have taken over. So and I'm fine with that, because look how pretty that is. And so I'm just going to use my tool to add 3 of those confetti. And so I hope you have fun hopping and over on Instagram, and I'm going to be hopping as well. I can't wait to see everyone's projects. So much fun. And Merry Christmas if I don't talk to you. So I hope you have a great holiday as well. That's coming up in a couple weeks or so, or maybe less. I'm afraid to count the days. So, and just adding my last confetti, and so that is it. How cute is that? And I'm going to show another close-up. So thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.